Okay, so we have another module opening this week, and I just wanted to give you a quick tour of what this module is about. We have a writing module opening up this week for Reaction Paper 2. And you've already got a little bit of a taste of this from our Reading 5 class. You've seen the assignment for this. So this module is going to work on going into more detail about cause-effect style and cause-effect language. So that's really the focus of this module. You will be looking at how a cause-effect essay is different from maybe some other essays, and then some of the language that's helpful in indicating to your reader that you're talking about causes or effects. There are a few assignments similar to the last module: a first draft, which is an outline, a second draft, which will be a complete rough draft, and you'll get some feedback from me, and then a reaction paper, a final draft, which will be graded both for this course as well as for your Reading 5 class. There is another timed essay that you'll be taking, and then there are some Connect writing assignments. I'm going to open up module activities. So this you've already seen before, but you have the assignment based on the namesake, the due dates there for the first draft, the second draft, and then the final draft. Okay. Module activities, going back here, there is a short video lecture to watch about cause-effect style essays. Then there are several worksheets that I like for you to work through to practice cause-effect style. There's an outline, an example outline that you can look at, and then there are a worksheet to help you identify whether a topic is asking you to write about causes or effects, and then finally some sample essays for you to look at. Going back to module activities, there's also a folder with cause-effect language. So in the middle of working on this module, we'll be starting another grammar module about sentence structure. So to get you started a little bit, there's some practice with different connecting words and different language that we can use to talk about causes and effects. So you'll be working through these worksheets and checking the answer keys to help learn and practice a language that we can use to talk about causes and effects. Okay, I'm going to go back to the main module and then point out the assignments that are due. There is the first draft that is due. So you will be using the outline template again. Some of you did not write an outline, you just wrote an essay for this first draft. So I'd like for you really just to submit an outline for this only, so that I can make sure that you have a good direction for your paper before you write too much. So make sure that you use that outline template if you're not sure how to do an outline, and submit that for this assignment. The second draft, we have, we're going to try this again with the peer review. I think that I've set it up correctly this time. So there's only one question for you to answer technically with this, and you're just going to upload a draft of your essay. Once you do that, so that the draft is due by October 18th. Then on October 19th, the evaluation will open, and you should be able to view your peers' essays. So we're not going to know if this works until October 19th, once everyone has submitted their essays, but I'll be keeping a close eye on it to make sure that everything is working. So there's one question to answer for this, and it's essentially just you're going to upload a copy of your essay to answer the question is all you have to do. And then on October 19th, it will open up for evaluation, and you will be answering a series of questions. This assignment calls it criteria, so you'll be answering criteria for your peers' essays, which are similar to the questions that I had posted last time. And then you'll also be submitting a copy of your draft to the assignment Dropbox folder here for me to review and give you some feedback as well. So we're going to try the peer review one more time. I hope it works this time. If not, I'll have to try something different for reaction paper 3. Okay, going back to module assignments, we have the final draft, which is not available to you right now. It will become available to you after the second draft is due. There's a timed essay and then some Connect writing assignments. So there are 2 Connect writing assignments here, and actually one was due this week, and I've actually extended the due date for that. So that's the organizational structures in paragraphs and essays. If you weren't able to complete that, I have extended that due date to November 1st, and then a new one, writing situation, purpose, and audience. Okay. All right, so that's it for this module. If you do have any questions, please post to the discussion board. Otherwise, good luck working on this module.